Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to activate evolution cards in Clash Royale. Let's get started. First, open your deck builder. And then here at the top of your card lineup, you'll see the two purple evolution slots. These are where your evolution's ready cards go. Drag your evolution ready card, like a lumberjack or witch, into one of those slots and you'll see the two special animation confirming that the card is active. Only these two slots matter for evolutions. To see all the available evolutions, go to the shop and scroll down to the evolution card section. Here you can unlock and power up more evolution cards. Now when you use your battle deck, any card in an evolution slot will appear, powered up. Cards outside those slots won't be active, so make sure that you place them correctly. And that's it. Your evolution cards are now ready to dominate your battles. Like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.